Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the movement on this one today. Very nice way to end the week here as the price broke out through these previous levels that I've talked about. And not only did the price break out, it just kept on going. So certainly some updates here need to be made as we head into the weekend here. So the first key level to keep an eye on is just going to be that former breakout point. And that sits down here at $45.50. And that would be what I would call the ideal level of support. I mean, if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And ideally speaking, if the price can now stay up above $45.50, that would be a fantastic sign of power. Now, if the price falls below that area, does that mean the entire chart's destroyed? I'm not saying that at all. But yeah, preferably speaking, going forward, if the price can stay above that area, that would be a great sign of power. Now, taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, sure, staying above 45.50 would be fantastic, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, got to squeeze things down here as the next key level of resistance to watch closely going forward. Going to be right up here at, let's see, what is that? Adjust that up here a little bit. The 48.65 mark. So 48.65, public enemy number one heading into the future here. But any angle you look at it, fantastic volume, very impressive price movement. So let's see how this one continues to play out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.